Okay guys, there's three things that I wanted to tell you about today. First of all, we will start with Brightspace Pulse. As you've realized, D2L has been rebranded as Brightspace. The word Pulse, that is the app that has been created where you can see all of your D2L courses through your phone. Works well with the iPhone and the Android phones, so I think the students will really like that. They as well can enable email notifications. That way they can see anything important in terms of notification or news that the instructor may post. So it's a way to text them and have it come up right on the locked screen of their phone without having to text them. What I'm using right now to show you this stuff is Screencasting.com. If you have any interest in that, I can set you up. It's basically a way to capture your audio and any clicks that you make on a screen to better talk about, could be a software or a website, or you could bring your students to a video. Our instructors are using it more and more. For instance, here is Georgina talking about the first steps for the course. I have her audio turned off here now. And she tells them what to do once they get in, and she says, "Hi and welcome to my course," and you see her face down the screen. Then you may have videos in the future. You don't need your face, but at least they've seen you for that first little bit. So that's a useful thing to have. Mary Pippi has been tasked with teaching applied statistics online, which you can imagine is not easy. Again, I have the audio turned off here, but she has to teach them how to use Minitab software. So she has to try to explain that online, which of course is something you could do in a great way if you have a screencast. You can capture her audio and she can click through the program, and then they can better see how to manipulate the data and the data sets that they have to use to answer all their questions. So there's many uses for that. So that's your second thing, screencasting. First thing was Pulse, and the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is a new feature under content. So you have to be in content to see this. Under existing activities, you'll see a feature called video assignment. And this is exactly what it seems. The students have the ability now, if you set up a video assignment link, they can click on it and their laptop will pick up their face in a little webcam, and then they could have their PowerPoint slides and they could do an assignment with a video of themselves talking. So there's many places where you may need this in your courses, and you may just want to see if the student on the other end is as smart as they seem, or you might want to meet them, or you could have peer review integrated into your class, and this would be a way where they could constructively criticize their peers. So to quickly show you how to do that, you simply create an assignment. You have lots of options here, and I'll just click video presentation. And then you have some other options. You want it for the whole class, or for educator form means for groups. I'm going to say the whole class. I'm going to just put here present assignment 1 using video and PowerPoint. It'll be reviewed by your peers and you'll receive a grade and feedback from myself. You can put in an overview video of what you want them to do. You have that option, or you could just put in the instructions like I just did. You could say no peer review, or the whole class will be able to see everybody else's stuff. That's what I'm going to say. And from there, it allows you to, what's happening? From here, you can decide how you'd like to grade them. Grade entry and percentage is the simplest. And you have your commentary. You can add a video as feedback, peer review. Those are the sorts of options you have, and your text. Your activity due date. And all of this will link right into your gradebook. So that assignment has been created, and then the students can go there, do the assignment, and I think it's a great feature, and there'll be more little videos like this created because D2L is getting bigger, stronger, and faster, and I want you to be aware of everything there is you can do. If you're looking for me, you can email me, or I'm at extension 588.